Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare tape-building RE215 with the tape-building RE330 and what are the main differences that you need to know. So when we're going to look here on the specifications on both, this is something that we can find. So both got a different network type. Then you see the Wi-Fi band is better for the RE330, primarily the 5G EZ. So if you want to focus on the 5G EZ, you should go with the RE330. You can see it right here. When we are going to look here, 867 megabits per second comparing to the only 433, so important. Then you can have external antennas for the RE215, that's better. So the Wi-Fi standard and all of these things are the same, so don't really have things about that. The Wi-Fi security is better for the RE215, but it's also really similar comparing to the RE330, so I wouldn't just see it as a big difference there. And other than that, everything else is the same. The primary difference between these two is the the 5G is the 867 megabits per second. And have a great day and goodbye.